Hi, welcome to this lesson. So in the previous lesson, we've learned about Databricks automatic machine learning and what it actually do to the data. And I chose the machine learning experiment, automatic machine learning experiment to run for 10 minutes. I left it for 10 minutes and this is what the result now. Obviously, I can see here everything pretty much the same. You see now there is 25 plus experiments that Databricks have tried in order to solve the problem. So let's expand this one. I'm going to close this. I'm going to refresh and you'll see all the notebooks or all the machine learning experiment that Databricks have tried. There's so many of them and they are sorted by the F1 score, descending. So the best F1 score is 0.843. Sounds like it's not too bad, it's not too good, like sound decent given 10 minutes of trial on a single node cluster. You can give it like more time and more compute resources and there will be more and more experiments to get you to the best model. Now, if you look at this table here, you've seen that this table have model type. Like what kind of algorithms that Databricks have used to get to this F1 score. So we see logistic regressions, we see decision trees classifier, we see XGB boost classifier, we see random forest, light GBM classifier. Like Databricks almost tried every single one of the classification algorithms available on the platform to guarantee you getting the best algorithm. And for each one of them, you'll see the experiments. One thing that also Databricks have done is that it generated what we call the data exploration notebook. Let's see what is this. So if you click here, data exploration notebook, you'll see what is it, what we are talking about. Every machine now, exploratory data analysis or EDA, it's like something standard in machine learning model. Before you start working on your machine learning data set, you wanted to do some experimentation, like you wanted to know what is the correlation between the feature and the target, which one that has null values, which one that has, repeated values, or which one that needs imputation, what is the categorical feature versus the numerical features. You do standard machine learning, we call it exploration, exploratory data analysis, or EDA for short. So Databricks exactly does this with the automatic machine learning. It mimics what you would do in the normal scenario and does it for you. So this is the notebook that if you are a data scientist, you would typically do this notebook. But Databricks did it already for you and gave you the notebook. And this is really very important. You could see a lot of automatic machine learning tools in the market that doesn't give you the code. It's like a black box. You give it the data set. All right, here is the output. Here's the prediction. Okay, what about the code? Which algorithm did you use? Did you use logistic regression, decision tree? You don't know, right? It gives you like an input and output kind of thing. But Databricks operates in what we call a glass box machine learning, automatic machine learning. We give you the code. So it's like a notebook. You can actually go and modify this notebook for your liking. So you can maybe add some code, write something, do some logging, actually change the way that does this, train test split kind of thing. Like you customize the code. So this is the code that we use for data exploration. And you can see there is some code like loading some pandas, reading the data, semantic type alerts, profiling results. And you're gonna see that some of the issues here. There is some error here.